In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your entire screen during a Google Meet session. This is a handy feature when presenting slides, demonstrating software, or sharing real-time updates across your entire desktop. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage, which serves as a hub for all the apps within your Google account. Once you're there, locate the Google Apps icon, usually represented by a grid or cluster of dots towards the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click. This action opens a menu displaying all the available Google applications. From the list of options, click on Google Meet. This will direct you to the Meet homepage, where you can join or start a meeting. On this page, you'll find a button labeled New Meeting. Click on it to initiate the setup for a new session. Once you click New Meeting, you'll be given a choice of options to create a meeting. For our purposes today, go ahead and click on Start an Instant Meeting. This will quickly launch a new meeting session, and before you know it, you'll find yourself in your Google Meet window, ready to go live. Now, in the Google Meet interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the controls and options at your disposal. On the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a button that says Present Now. Clicking this opens up several options for sharing, including specific tabs, windows, or your entire screen. You want to select Your Entire Screen. This option will share everything happening on your display with the participants in the meeting, so make sure anything you don't want to be seen is closed or minimized. Once you've made your choice, a new window will pop up displaying thumbnail previews of the available screens. If you use multiple monitors, each will have its separate preview. Click on Screen 2 or the screen you intend to share, making sure it's selected. Finally, look for the Share button toward the bottom of the window and click it. That's it. Your entire screen is now being broadcast to every participant in the Google Meet session. As a quick tip, always keep the meeting window open on your secondary screen or minimize it to ensure it doesn't accidentally become the focus of your shared session. This way, you keep your presentation smooth and minimize distractions. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share your entire screen during a Google Meet session. Happy presenting and make the most out of your screen sharing experience.